Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display all the filters for blog posts. So basically this is for WordPress website. If you have Shopify website, I already created the code. I will be adding the link below in the description, but this video is specific for WordPress. So if you have a WordPress website and you are interested to display some filters on the top of blog posts, so you can do something like this. I will be showing you step by step that how you can implement this specific logic into your store. So first of all, you should create a page. So go back to your dashboard, and here you can see that we have pages, and you should click on add page, and then in that way you will able to create a new page. All right. And then after you should follow a documentation which I already given below. So the first point is that you should paste this below code. Actually this is the CSS code which we are going to add in customize section, customize block. So till this line of code you should paste. So let me show you where exactly we need to paste. So you can see that we are going back to the dashboard, and here you can see that if you are hovering on appearance, just a second, and then click on customize. So after clicking on customize, you can see that we have additional CSS. So it doesn't matter that which theme you are using. So in everything you will see that we have an additional CSS block. So once you are clicking on it, inside of this block you can actually paste at the bottom of this specific section. And once you have pasted this code, then after you should go ahead with the second step, which is you should add below code in the function.php file. So actually this is the code function which we are going to paste inside of function.php. So where exactly the function.php exists? So first of all, you should go to plugins and install a plugin of file manager. So you should search WP file manager. Let me show you how exactly you will be installing it. So for example, you are searching here file manager plugin. So here we have already active. So you should have to activate it, and then after go back, and you will see that we have WP file manager in the left menu. So once you are clicking on that, so you will able to edit the code. So on the root you can see that we have this public_html, and inside of it you will be getting wp-content. So you should open it up, and you will find out we have themes. So open that themes, and we have a lot of themes. So we are going to work on the current published theme. So that is, for example, this theme I already working on. So you should open this theme, and inside of this you will find functions.php. So you should right click and edit this in the editor, and then after in the bottom you should paste that code which I actually told you to paste. So you can see that this code I pasted here, and then save and close. So once you did that, then after you should go back again here in pages, and let me show you here I have created articles. So click on edit. For example, I'm showing you. So once you created articles, then on the right hand side you will see we have a template. So you will be finding filterable blog grid template. You need to select this and then click on update. Once you update it, then after you can click on this link and open this in the front end. So you can see that this type of filter you will be getting on top of it, and below it we have a lot of blog posts cards. So once we are clicking on any of the filter, you can see that only specific category cards are displaying here. So these are actually the blog posts which are connected to this specific category. So here we are filtering all these blog posts on the basis of category. So you can see that we have different blog posts for different categories. Here you can see that we have only 3 blog posts. So if you are clicking on any of this blog post, you will be redirected to main blog posts page. But before that, you will be having list of it. So if you will see in your mobile view, it will look like this. You can see that we have only 2 blog posts in single row. And if you are clicking on all, so all the blog posts will be displaying here. All right. So that's how you can actually implement this. If you are facing any issues or something you want to modify in this, definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.